Hey guys, this is Mark Steele, the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage. We're located in Toronto, Ontario, but we service clients all across the province. Now today's video we're focusing on first-time home buyers and the costs that you're not considering before making that purchase. Of course, it's a very exciting time to be a first-time home buyer, getting to your first property. Despite all the news articles and friends saying they can't afford anything, you made it, which is very good. But what are the costs that you haven't thought about just yet that maybe your parents didn't know about, or maybe your mortgage broker didn't fill you in on? Let's go into a few of those right now, and we'll give you some extra details maybe in the section below after the video as well. So the first thing to consider, of course, is your deposit. When you're making that purchase for the property, you're going to have to put a deposit in after your offer is accepted. This could be anywhere from 2% to 10% of the purchase price of the home, or even more if you have enough of it saved up in your account already. This just essentially says we're here, we're serious about this offer, and if anything goes wrong, this is the money that we have locked into the deal right now. It really keeps you accountable to making the deal go forward, barring any exceptions and conditions that aren't met. And we'll go into those in a separate video. So consider the deposit for the property. And of course, this goes toward the down payment as well. Now, the next thing to consider, of course, is the down payment. Now, if you have 5 to 20% of a down payment saved up and ready to be put into this property, that's great. You're still going to be paying something called CMHC insurance, which is a little bit more than what you pay if you had more than 20% down payment. But as long as you're budgeting for it, you're going to be okay. If you can, get some more down payment in there. Next, of course, is going to be closing costs for the property. And this is what a lot of people don't consider. Costs such as purchasing an inspection to have your home looked after or looked over by a professional inspector. Things like lawyer fees that actually get the closing process done, and someone to look over any adjustments that have to be made for taxes prepaid by the seller, for example. And a lot of more details that, again, we'll go over in a future video. Consider things like land transfer tax, which you pay twice in Toronto, once in other cities, but that can add up to a hefty sum as well if you're not prepared for it. Now, of course, when you actually get into your new property, you'll have to consider hiring a mover. Maybe you need a moving truck, maybe you're going to use a moving service, maybe you need to budget to buy pizza for your friends if they're helping you move as well. And don't forget, if you're purchasing your first property or your next property with Justo Inc. Brokerage, we do have rebates for our buyers. We actually cover the cost of a home inspection or your lawyer fees when you work with us, as well as giving you a 50% cashback rebate on the commissions that we make from the deal. If you have any questions about that, we will talk in more details. Again, I'm Mark Steele, the broker of record for Justo Inc. Brokerage. Talk to you soon.